In this video, I'm going to be showing the user how to access the dashboard view in OceansMap. So by default, OceansMap opens with the map view turned on, but if the user would like to access the dashboard, they can do so in a few ways. So the easiest way is here in the top right, we have this button that says dashboard view. The user clicks on this, it opens the dashboard view to the default look with no widgets loaded in. They can get back to the map view by clicking up here. The user can also manually type in \explore, and that will take them to the dashboard view. Or if the user would like to open the dashboard with data already loaded in, they can click on an area on the map, turn on whatever data they would like to see in the dashboard, and then click on this Show in Dashboard button here on the right, and you can see the dashboard opens with a widget with data already loaded in.